I sure did. I sure did make a breakfast biscuit pizza. And here's the tea on how I did it. Of course, I used Miss Lena's buttermilk biscuit mix, which is produced by me spilling the sweet tea. And of course, I'm making the dough for my biscuit pizza in my Miss Lena's biscuit bowl, which baby is launching in just 3 days. So y'all know the vibes: frozen grated butter and a cup of buttermilk. Blend everything together until it forms a dough and looks just like this. Instead of making a circle pizza, I made more of a flatbread by just rolling out my biscuit dough into the shape of a flatbread. I then brushed it with butter and baked it on 450 for about 12 minutes. Baby, once it came out the oven, I topped it with some sausage gravy. Cause baby, this is a country ass pizza, okay? I then topped it with some shredded cheddar cheese, some breakfast potatoes I made in the air fryer, and of course some bacon, cause you know in my house, swine is fine. Added a touch more cheese and baked it on 450 degrees until the cheese was melted. And hear me when I say, this breakfast biscuit pizza was everything. Make sure to get y'all biscuit bowl on launch day so y'all can make creations like this. Like and follow for more easy recipes.